Cheese.
Say hey.
Hey.
Okay. Now, what is this word?
Hey.
Hey, what is this word?
What?
Sound it out.
Ah.
What's that letter?
Cha.
At. Now, if you put this in front of it, what does that make it? Fat. What if you put...
Dat.
Try it one more time.
Bat.
Mm-hmm. And what about that one?
Cat.
All right. And what about this last one?
Mat.
Yay!
Cheese.
Cheese. Do you know any of these words? What's that word?
Show you.
Show me.